We got to talk about the real estate market. It's not really looking so hot, especially if I tell you the amount of new construction, home growth slowing down, and their latest Redfin report. If you look at homes all over the United States, it's the same thing, right? People are just building like crazy. People are not really buying, but at the same time, a lot of people are itching to sell every single day. So if you check out this article by Redfin, we got Redfin Home Price Index. Redfin is saying that price growth slowed for the third straight month in November as supply crunch is easing. There's so much building. People are going nuts. And look at the prices, right? And here's the thing. Not every city in the U.S. is going up. In fact, I could say the biggest city in the U.S., like places like Seattle, San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco, Chicago, are having massive price decreases. Whereas like smaller suburban cities, prices are actually going up, right? In the city next to me, it's like a smaller suburban city. The prices are insane. Like people are still buying those locations. They feel like buying like a $500,000 single family home is like a pretty good price. And look at this, right? Some cities are doing really well. Some cities are doing really bad, especially Austin, Texas. And let me tell you guys what's going on. So much construction is going on. And many Americans right now feel trapped in their homes by their low rate mortgages. And this is a big thing. Because a lot of Americans right now are refusing to sell their houses on Zillow because you have interest rates being so high. Because when you sell one of these houses, guess what's going to happen? You're going to have to buy another one. And if you buy another one, interest rates are super high. So what in the world is the point? And for investors who's wanting to sell one of their houses and buy like 2 to 3 houses for investment, the interest rates are so high, it's not even worth it. So might as well just wait. So this is what's causing a lot of these Americans to not sell. But guess what's happening next year, 2024, 3 projected rate cuts, which will actually cause many of the people who's itching to sell to start selling. And by the way, places like Austin, there's a lot of people wanting to sell. And look at the amount of new construction homes that's being built right now in Austin. It's absolutely bonkers. There's 6,000 new construction homes. By new construction, anything newer than 2019, in my opinion. That's pretty new. And look at the amount of homes listed, new construction. And that's 2019, right? And look at 2022, like the super new construction, 5,400 homes. But if you look at the used homes and new construction homes, there's about 11,000. So you're telling me about 48% of all the homes in Austin right now are new construction. And then you have another crew, the used home crew. The moment the rates drop next year, they're going to start selling. New construction has to sell. And there's also several thousand and more of new homes that are still being built. This is what you call over construction, but not enough people buying. For all the peeps out there in Texas who want to buy a home, you're in luck because construction companies are just going bonkers right now. They're building homes constantly for almost like no reason. They build because other people build, and other people build, they freak out and they start building. And especially like the ultra luxury properties like these huge beautiful mansions next to the water they're not getting sold, guys. Like there's not enough rich people out there. A lot of the rich customers are now holding off. They have a lot of their money in very nice treasury bonds, very nice CDs. So they're not going to spend a lot of money on luxury property. And the more mid-range properties aren't really being sold because there's too many people building. And when interest rates drop, a lot of people will no longer feel trapped and they're going to start selling. And Austin home prices will also fall next year, right? Realtor.com is also predicting another fall in prices in 2024. And remember, I'm not just going to be talking mad smack about Austin, guys. It's several other cities. Like if you go to Dallas, this is another city where there's intensive amounts of new construction homes. They're just building a bunch, right? So much to the point that it's very worrisome. Because right now on Zillow, you got like 13,000 homes for sale. And when you just look at the new construction, it's like almost half. It's like almost 6,000. You kind of get the idea that builders are just going nuts, but they're not really factoring in, what happens when the secondhand market guys start selling, when guys like you and me start selling. And that's going to cause a lot of downward pressure in terms of price. And by the way, we could make a whole new video about this. And I just want to introduce it to you guys. Nearly half of office loans right now are on the risk of defaults, right? More than 1 in 10 commercial property loans overall are heading to 2024 are going to be defaulting pretty hard, and we're already seeing the beginning of the collapse here. Go to San Francisco, go to LoopNets, go to Austin. You're seeing a bunch of high-end commercial real estate properties literally selling for 50 to 80% off. That's not normal, guys. Okay, you can't even get 50% off like a Black Friday at Walmart, but you could get in the commercial real estate sector, which is bonkers. So just be careful, guys. This real estate market just isn't really that great. I know a lot of people are itching to buy a home here and there, but in my opinion, stay patient, look around. There's a lot of choices. Thanks for watching. See you later.